So the first question is, I like to buy pots of flower plants, but each time the plant will die off soon. What have I done wrong for this flowering plant?
Okay, those people who have come for my classes and stuff will know that I always say if the plant dies, it's not always your fault. Okay, and the reason why is because a lot of plants die very quickly because they're not from our environment. Okay, so my quick advice on this is probably if you want to go and buy some plants, I know it's very tempting to buy the most pretty ones, but the most pretty ones are usually the ones that have the most amount of flowering hormones, pesticides, chemicals, fertilizers that were applied to them during the growing period in the nursery. Okay, and a lot of them are actually grown in Cameron Highlands, which is a cold, cool climate. So the moment you bring them into Singapore, they look great, but then when you bring them home, they don't survive long. Okay, so don't be too hard on yourself if it dies. My recommendation is probably before you go to the nursery, try to look up some plants and find the ones that you like, and then do a little bit of research on them. If they are planted by end parks and you see them along the side of the streets, then probably they are going to be suitable for our climate and they will last much, much longer in your house. Okay, so that's a quick tip. Do some research first before you go on your plant trip. And we all know lah, we will spend a lot of money at the nursery lah, myself included. Okay, try to resist, Okay.